Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Viewers, welcome to my online geography class. Today our topic is natural and man-made resource. Natural resources. In natural resources, there are mainly three types: human, mineral, power, and agricultural. In man-made resources, there are industrial resources, communication resources, and trade resources. Man-made are human resources, or we can say that what are the human resources. Human resources are used to describe both the people who work for a company or organized and the department responsible for managing resources related to the employees. This picture show that what are human resources mean human beings are also a resource of nature. This is the main source of resources because all our resources are managed and used by these resources. Next are the water mineral resources. Minerals are naturally occurring substances. They have a definite chemical composition. Minerals are formed in different types of geological environments under varying conditions. It say that mineral resources are also naturally and they are formed by the occurring of some biological mean geological processes in under the earth and out the earth. This map show that where are different natural resources found in the world. For example, if we say just one example of oil, then we can say that all over the world where is oil, we can say that there is nothing oil in Pakistan. In China there are some sources of oil. In Russia, in some European countries, African countries, North America, South America, Australia, and there is Cape Town or South African most southern part, yeah, southern tip. Types of mineral resources. There are many types of mineral resources. Metallic resources, which mean the name show that the minerals which are in the form of metals, and ferrous minerals in which the ferric is abundant. Next, types of agriculture. There are many types of agriculture, but five most commonly used in the world are given these: shifting agriculture, subsistence agriculture, intensive agriculture, extensive agriculture, plantation farming, mixed farming, and commercial farming. There are some examples with explanation. Pastoral nomadism, shifting. The dry lands of Southwest Asia and North African, Central Asia, and East Asia have such type of agriculture. The tropical regions of Latin America, Sub-Saharan Africa, and Southeast Asian countries have such type of cultivation regions. So we can say that this is the map on which we can say that which type of agriculture have the developing countries and which type have the developed countries. If we say that pastoral nomadism where is dominant, then we can say that this all area is dominated by this type of agriculture. If we say that plantation, so we say this type, and this type is very rare here, and it is uh, more than there in these region to some extent. If we see that a mixed crop and the livestock, then we see that in most European countries and most of the North America is eastern countries, this type of agriculture is dominated. Industry. An industry is the production of goods or related services within an economy. The major sources of revenue of a group or company is the indicator of its relevant types of industry. There are many types of industries: primary, secondary, tertiary. World industrial production growth rate. This show that how the world regions are playing important in world production growth. If we see here, then we say that these countries lie in this category, and if we see, then we say that these areas are lie in this category. If we see this, then we say that all these type are lie in this category. And if we see above 10% growth rate, then we can say that our country is also lie at